Hi everyone and welcome to FinTechnology. Today I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, let's start by writing text. I will choose just this to write and write our channel name, FinTechnology. And just by clicking on it, you will have the ability to add effects or animate it. Let's start with adding some effects like this, just a light one. Then let's animate it. There is so many options like this one, this one, this one. We have so many options or general ones like this. We have this too. There is a big variety of animations. So I would just choose simple one like this. We can add things. There is some pro features. Click on enter. Okay. So to see it, we can click on preview. Then we will have a video of our animation. You can download the video and use it in other projects just by clicking on this. Finally, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you.